Alright YouTube, it's Brian again. Hey, at GreyWolf Towers we're just really happy to see that some people have taken interest in our community project. We've got a package that just came in, so I'm super excited. Figured I'd do an unboxing of what's in here, show you guys what we got for our community project. This is from a friend of ours up in Canada, met on Discord. Again, you can find the link for the Discord in the description like normal. I'm going to go ahead and pop this open, show you guys what we got. Only tool we're going to need is to break open the tape. Sorry, I'm really excited. It's like Christmas. So the reason that I'm excited is because in the end, what I have planned for the community build, I'm super excited to get that out there and going. And then I want to work on a bigger project after that. But I want to make sure that you guys see it work and do what it's supposed to. So I had them include their name. So this is from Max. Alright guys, so you can see. So it's Max at Max is Boz on Instagram. So Max is Boz, B-A-W-S on Instagram. If you want to see the guy who donated this. So they packed it up really well. So the first thing that they donated is a 2x4 gigabyte kit of DDR4 2400 RAM. This will come in extremely useful in the build. Also, I had no idea that it was going to be this sleek red heat spreader kit. I love it. It's going to be awesome in our build. Next up, an EVGA power supply. So, sorry, that beep is our camera going off, probably dying. I think it died. So this is a 500 RX model, so I'm going to guess 500 watts, which should be perfect for the build. It's brand new, never opened, still sealed, which will be great. I'll pop it open for the build itself when it's time. So, and then, looks like there's a Blue Apron card in here, and the invoice for the power supply. So they actually bought it brand new and donated it to this project. Super excited to get this going. So we've got our first two parts. We've got our RAM and we've got a power supply. So now the next steps will be, we still need to get a case, motherboard, CPU, storage of some kind, whether it's SSD, hard drive, both. Graphics card, I'm thinking, depending on if nobody else donates any, I'm going to use the 760 that I just bought and did the cleaning video on, which I'll include a link for as well. So yeah, super excited to get this going. Thank you so much, Max. Again, Max at Max is Boz on Instagram. So thank you so much. This will be a great first step, and hopefully we'll get some more going. Like I said, I'm going to donate whatever else. I'm going to give you guys some more time. I was hoping to get it done by Christmas, but let's see how much we can get done before the end of the year. Hopefully this video will be edited tonight. This is Saturday the 15th. Hopefully it'll be edited tonight and posted either tonight or tomorrow. But yeah, super excited, and I hope that everybody else gets excited by this as well. And we're going to see what we can get going. Have a great day. Happy holidays. Like and subscribe to the video to keep up to date on what's going on. Happy holidays, everybody.